Hi guys, we are doing something a little bit different today. Well, kind of the same, kind of different. We'll see. Well, first we are going to be talking about the letter. Does anybody know what letter this is? Good job. This is the letter V. This is the uppercase V and the lowercase V. And look, they both look the same, don't they? Sometimes the uppercase and the lowercase letters look different, but for the letter V, they both look the same. So that's kind of easy. Well, and I was trying to think of some words that start with the letter V. And V sounds like V, like van. Maybe some of you have a car that's a van. I know when my daughters were little, like you guys, when they were 3 and 4 years old, I had a van because I have 4 daughters and I needed a big car to fit them all. So we drove a van. Another word that starts with the letter V is volcano. Volcano. Can you say that with me? Volcano. And so today I thought maybe since we were doing the letter V and we thought of the word volcano, maybe we could make a volcano. So I have this cool little thing that looks like a volcano. Do you see? It's just plastic. And it's not a real volcano because a real volcano, if you don't know what a volcano is, sometimes a volcano, now we don't have any of these real ones here in Minnesota, right? They're far, far away. But a volcano sometimes gets really hot and some hot lava comes out of the top, and that's what this red stuff is supposed to be. It's not actually hot in my little plastic volcano, but a real volcano, hot lava comes out and you can't touch it. It's super, super hot. So our volcano that we're gonna make today is not gonna be super hot. It's just gonna kind of look like a volcano, all right? Now we're gonna use the same stuff. Do you remember when we did the exploding baggie and we used baking soda? And if you remember, baking soda is just white. It's just a white powder and it doesn't really smell like anything. So I'm gonna take my baking powder and I'm gonna put it inside my little volcano here. Now, some of you might wanna try this at home and maybe you don't have a little volcano like this, right? So I thought of some other things that maybe you might have at home that you could make a volcano with. One thing I thought of was some Play-Doh. Now, this is some Play-Doh that I had to go buy at the store because my daughters are too old. They don't play with Play-Doh anymore. So what I was going to do with this Play-Doh is kind of make it, not really to look like a volcano, but kind of make it into like a cup shape is what I was going to do with it, okay? So see, just put a hole in the middle. So I was going to do, oh, can you see that? The real volcano, the Play-Doh volcano, and I thought maybe even if you just had a cup would work too. So any of those things, or maybe a little bowl, even a little bowl might work. Anything that's small enough that you could put in, so I'm gonna do all of these. You could put in some baking soda. Now if you do use Play-Doh, the only thing is you gotta remember is you'll have to throw the Play-Doh away because it won't be good anymore. If you're going to use a tall cup like this, you might need 2 scoops. I'm going to put 3. Now, do you remember from the exploding baggie that I used the baking soda? And does anybody remember what this stuff was called that we used? This also starts with our letter V. Can you see it? This word says vinegar. Vinegar. And it's clear. But remember I said I didn't like the smell of it. So I'm not going to smell it this time because I really do not like the smell. But what I'm going to do just for fun is put my vinegar into this little glass dish. And then because purple is my favorite color, you could use whatever color you want, or you don't have to use any colors. I'm gonna put some purple in my vinegar. I'm gonna stir. Is this purple? Doesn't look very purplish. Guess we'll see. It looks blue. I wonder if the wrong top got on. Okay, well, we'll give it a try. So here's my vinegar. It started out clear, but I put some food coloring in it just for fun, all right? So I'm gonna move these guys out of the way. And I'm gonna start with our volcano here. Are we ready? What do you think is gonna happen? Think about the exploding baggie and what happened when the baking soda, yep, when the baking soda mixed up. What happened to that baggie when it mixed with the vinegar? Yeah, it exploded, didn't it? So what do you think might happen when I put the vinegar into the baking soda? Do you think it will explode? Should I stand back a little bit? Let's see what happens. Are you ready? It kind of exploded, didn't it? Kind of. Well, I'm gonna move the volcano to the way. I'm gonna put my Play-Doh volcano here. Think the same thing will happen? Are we ready? The same thing. Now, it didn't explode, did it? But it sure had a reaction. The baking soda and the vinegar, when they get together, they always do that, don't they? And now I'll try the last one. I'll try the cup. Do you think the same thing will happen? Probably, but we're going to try it anyways, just so we can see. Whoa, that one was a lot bigger because I put 3 scoops of, well, now I can see that it's purple. It looked kind of blue before. And so you can do it over and over, and it's pretty easy. Maybe you'll have some baking soda and some vinegar at your house. If you don't, maybe you'll have to wait until mom or dad have to go to the grocery store. That's okay. You don't have to do it today. But I just thought that that was something fun since we were working on the letter V, that we could also do a volcano. So that's what I have for you guys today. Hope you liked our volcano. And if you give it a try, let me know so I can see, okay? All right, bye guys.